It's just a few minutes after sunrise on June 3rd, and the message is, you gotta do epic shit because you're alive. It's crazy out here, man. The fog is rising off the river. Life is just like that sometimes, man. On one side of the dam, the water is smooth, almost like glass, with the fog raising up. Then you shift to the other side of the dam, and the water's turbulent. And it happens fast. Everything changes real fast, man. I think people got a little bit confused about the meaning of the word epic. They think epic means dangerous or irresponsible, taking cues from things like epic mealtime, just a total lack of self-respect, self-worth, and self-responsibility. Doing epic shit can mean a lot of things, man. It can mean just witnessing the magnificent stuff that's going on around you. Getting up early and seeing the world for what it is before the rest of the world wakes up. And that's how it is on this side of the dam, where the water flows smooth before the rush hour. And then the rest of the world catches up, and it happens fast. You ride over the dam, and all of a sudden you're in turbulent waters. So my advice is, do epic stuff while you got the chance, while you're able-bodied, and have self-respect. When you go out into nature, leave nature better than you found it. Clean up the mess that you would have left behind. So, isn't anything new to it. Just principles of self-respect and respect for what's around you. I'm out.